U.S. President Donald Trump's entry ban and targeted immigration restrictions continue to make their way through the court. On Tuesday, a federal appeals court is set to hear arguments over whether to restore the president's temporary travel ban on people from 7 Muslim-majority nations. The executive order is the most controversial policy shift under the Trump administration. Our correspondent Nathan King brings us more from Washington, D.C. on the developments of the legal battle.
The Department of Justice and the Trump administration basically gave a 15-page legal argument at the deadline for the Court of Appeals as to why the travel ban should be reinstated. They basically argue that Donald Trump is within his authority as U.S. president to limit immigration and movement into this country, also arguing that the courts should not guess his view on national security, also saying that aliens that have never been to the United States, that's another word for foreigners, do not have protections under the U.S. Constitution. It is a strongly worded, very powerful document that they think, that is the Trump administration, will see this ban reinstated. But we are not there yet. There was talk of perhaps a ruling pretty soon after these arguments were given. That will not happen. There will now be oral arguments on both sides via telephone Tuesday afternoon in the West Coast, San Francisco time here in the U.S.